You'll know exactly what to do and when, no guesswork. Knowing what steps to take, no confusion, no distractions, just step 1, 2, and 3 to help you pull in extra money each month. Like Bradley, who was so excited when he made his first big sale. Alan Yang, who let us know when he made his first sale. And Adam, who made well over $1,000 in his very first month with us here at ClickBank University. I'll share more amazing stories with you in a moment, but first, let me assure you, if you worry that you're too late to join the party, if you fear that there's simply too much competition, or you're concerned making money with ClickBank all sounds way too technical and too complicated for you, here's the truth. You've got a rare advantage over even our current ClickBank success stories. Why? Because the same system they used to make that very first sale has been enhanced even more. We're constantly upgrading it with the newest breakthroughs. Now, it's easier than ever to get started making money on the internet. And you'll be able to do it even if you're completely new to making money online. Even if everything you've tried so far has failed you, and even if you're a busy mom holding a gaggle of screaming kids. That's right. By the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to make your first income online. Because if you're a beginner and you haven't generated a ton of money online before, this is perfect for you. For the first time, ClickBank is opening the doors so that anyone can get started online and make money as soon as tonight if you want. There's virtually no technical barriers, zero previous knowledge needed, and in fact, you already have almost everything you need to get started. I'm going to share with you the missing piece of the puzzle right at the end of this presentation. Of course, you could figure this out all for yourself. After all, there are hundreds of courses out there that claim to have all the answers, but doesn't it just make sense to get your training direct from the source, from the people who already have generated over $3 billion for their members? Sure it does.
And now you, for the very first time, are going to get the unique and incredibly powerful insider's training strategies used by some of the most successful marketers on ClickBank. Introducing ClickBank University 2.0. ClickBank University 2.0 is the only online program dedicated to making you your very first ClickBank sale, created by the team most qualified to do that, ClickBank themselves. Like I said, here at ClickBank we have a unique advantage. Every day, a tidal wave of data rushes through our systems, and it's all painstakingly analyzed to give you priceless intel, like which products, niches, and markets are making the most money right now, which traffic sources are converting the best and making the most sales for our members, and which tools, tactics, and techniques are stuffing the most money into our clients' pockets. Now, we can share that very same information with you. ClickBank University 2.0 has been built from the ground up to provide you a roadmap to ClickBank success like no other. While other programs may dump a truckload of content on you, video after video, PDFs, audios, epic 3-hour trainings, the reality is, by being overloaded with content, you're actually being shortchanged. And you're left spinning your wheels, desperate to figure out the best path for yourself. Feeling overwhelmed, you remain frozen, stuck, afraid, maybe just worried about making the wrong move and unable to take action. That's why it's important to realize it's not your fault. Here at ClickBank University 2.0, we do things differently. That's why our members are so pleased that they find us. Finally, they've got a simple, proven roadmap to follow. And we want you to start generating income with ClickBank. Why? Well, it's because your success becomes our success. And so you know, that's not some cheesy corporate slogan, it's true. ClickBank only makes money if you make money. So let's help you. Let's work side by side and we can generate fortunes together. Guaranteed, no other program or course out there even comes close. They simply don't have the data, the knowledge, and the intel that we have. That's why ClickBank University 2.0 is the only proven path to success with ClickBank.
Now you've already seen a handful of the success stories we've helped create with our training. Regular people making extraordinary income using the power of the ClickBank platform. Think about it like this. You have an insanely powerful wealth-generating tool right in front of you, totally free to use. It contains so much opportunity. It's vital that someone takes you by the hand and walks you through every feature, every trick, and every tool and technique. And that's exactly what we'll do. In our new improved and fully upgraded training portal, we'll guide you step by step to building your very first ultra profitable ClickBank business. That's right, we're going to clear away all of the foggy confusion, literally telling you what to do and when to do it. There's no excuse. With ClickBank University 2.0 by your side, on your laptop, iPad, or even smartphone, suddenly everybody has the opportunity to build real wealth online. In fact, we'll go one step further and we'll even certify your ability to generate income online. Yes, inside ClickBank University 2.0, we're offering an official ClickBank certification for the very first time. You can't get this qualification anywhere else. Once certified, you can feel sure you have the confidence, the skills, the know-how to generate ClickBank income and to do it practically on demand. You have what it takes. So from this point on, making money on the internet can become almost second nature. Plus, we've recently introduced a new series of trainings inside ClickBank University called CBU Crash Courses. These are bite-sized mini courses designed to help you master a new money-making skill. For instance, the YouTube Crash Course will show you how to profit with YouTube, even if you don't want to be on camera. In the Copywriting Crash Course, one of the world's top copywriters reveals how to write copy specifically for ClickBank products. And in the Marketing Avatar Crash Course, you'll discover how to figure out exactly who wants what you have to sell. This is super valuable information that can mean the difference between a 6- and 7-figure business.
Hey there, my name's Mike. ClickBank University has provided the most value for the least amount of my money invested of anything that I can recall in years, I would say. And that's saying a lot. ClickBank University, not just its lessons, but its instructors and their webinars where you can ask questions of them, have provided so much instruction and value to me. It's been beyond words for me. My favorite part was probably the webinars where I could actually pose my questions to the instructors and get custom specific answers to my questions. That's just been invaluable as well as very enjoyable. If you're feeling a little uncertain, well, I'm not very tech savvy or I haven't sold anything online, if you've got the interest and the determination, then yes, you can succeed via ClickBank using ClickBank University's lessons and instruction. It's really up to you.
Hey, this is Pat Taylor with Learn with Pat. One of my least favorite moments in my life when I was working in the corporate world was waking up in the morning to my alarm clock. And this is for all of you that are striving to make it, striving to get out of the rat race, to get your own business started online. This is for all of you guys. This is my personal alarm clock. It has a date with destiny today with the sledgehammer.
I literally spent years trying to figure it out on my own, bought all sorts of shiny objects. I'll never forget just doing the simple things. I forgot about it. I did it. I forgot about it. And I went back to studying and implementing and continuing my education at ClickBank University. A few weeks later, I forgot about it. I popped back into my ClickBank account, and there was hundreds of dollars there. And that first check was the happiest day of my life in affiliate marketing because it proved to me what was actually possible. Now, I like the fact that CBU provides the conceptual knowledge as well as the practical, hands-on, nuts and bolts technical information that you need when you're first starting out. They have a great portal. They have instructional videos where you look over the shoulder so you can see exactly how to do things. They have great support. And in my opinion, there's simply no better place to start.
Your alarm clock could be the next one.
Here's what's really cool. If you've never made a single cent online before, or you're just getting started, that's actually even better. Why? Because you get to skip over all the mistakes, the pitfalls, the snafus most online entrepreneurs make when they're just starting out. Believe me, these can be fatal, crushing your hopes, dreams, and ambitions. After all, the internet is littered with half-built products, unfinished sales letters, and wasted affiliate campaigns. The majority of people get all excited when they start out, and they're full of hope and visions of money pouring in, and then they hit the first sign of trouble. Maybe there's a technical hitch. Maybe they can't generate any traffic. They lack the expertise they need in a particular moment in time, and they give up. With ClickBank University 2.0, that's not going to happen. Not on our watch. You get to avoid all of the heartache and skip to the fun part. We're here to teach you, to train you, to guide you all the way to that very first ClickBank sale. And from there, well, the sky really is the limit. Now, just before we deep dive inside the university prospectus so you can see exactly what you get, here's something you may not be aware of. The vast majority, and I'm talking close to 90% of the members inside of ClickBank University do not sell their own products. That's not how they make their money with ClickBank. So what do? Simple. They promote other people's products. Remember, that's how I first got started. By sending traffic to ClickBank offer pages, you can make commissions as high as 75% of the retail price. And you don't have to worry about a product, a sales page, even a website to make an absolute fortune online.
What's more, ClickBank makes it so easy to get started. If you can cut and paste a line of code, you can get rocking. And when you have our step-by-step blueprint to follow, it becomes easier than ever before. Again, you're getting training from the team that practically invented this method of income generation online. You can't get this anywhere else. However, making money with other people's products is only one part of the curriculum. We know that once you have a few $100 extra a month coming in, you'll want to scale things up further. And the easiest way to do that is by creating your own offers based around your passion.